बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा सल्लैता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम व अला आलि इब्राहीम इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Students, I hope you all are fine and welcome to another lesson from Iqra Phonic Reader 2. Students, as you know, we are revising the double letter phonograms from IPR 2 in detail, okay, and side by side we are solving some of the interesting activities also. I hope you are learning the sounds on daily basis and you are practicing the sound numbers also. So it's our revisionary time now. We are going to revise our previous learned phonograms, then we will start our today's lesson. So let's start revision. Sh as in fish. Next one. E as in tree. Ao o. Ao o u a. U o. Ch k sh. R as in car. A as in day. A as in paint. OA as in boy. OE as in oil. R as in her. Okay, my dear students, so these are the phonograms we have done from IPR 2. Now we are moving forward towards our next phonogram, which is, you can see in my hand. Can you tell me what is the sound of this phonogram? Very good. R as in first. Once again, R as in first. So first of all, let's have a look for some of the examples on board. Then we will start our today's lesson. Okay, my dear students, these are the words you can see having our today's phonogram. First of all, we will try to read the given words and then we will write sound number. Okay, so let's start. Girl, girl. Firm, firm. Bird, bird. Dirty, dirty. Shirt, shirt. Okay, students, so can you guess the phonogram? Yes, double letter phonogram that you can see is, first we will underline the phonogram, okay, then we will write sound number. In this way we will underline the double letter phonogram in paper and we will write sound number. So can you tell me how many sounds does this phonogram have? Yes, very good. It has only one sound. So we will write 1 sound number on all the words. Okay, students. So in this way, this question will come in your paper. You will guess the phonogram and then you will write sound number 1. So students, in the last word, it's the shirt. Shirt. So can you guess another double letter phonogram in this word? Very good. Shh. It also has sound number 1. So we will solve the question related to sound number in this way. Okay, students, now come towards IPR 2. Okay, my dear students, we are going to read the sentences having our phonogram. Let's start. The birds are in the nest. The birds are in the nest. Look at the picture carefully. Nest. Okay. Next one. Dirt is on his shirt. Dirt is on his shirt. Look at the picture. Dirt. It's dirt on the shirt. Okay. Next one. Ali is the first in line. Ali is the first in line. Okay, students. First. Look at the picture. First means Ali won the race and he is the first in line. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will read the given sentences. Next one. I stood third in class. I stood third in class. Position 1, position 2 and position third. Look at this. Last one. 8 girls make a circle. 8 girls make a circle. Okay, circle like this. So in this way you will read the given sentences 5 times and you will do practice of R phonogram. Okay, as you can see, R as in first written with red color, so it means it has only sound number 1. Now come towards next page. The title for the next page reading is 30 dirty birds. Once again, 30 dirty birds. Let's start reading. 30 dirty birds sat on my shirt. 30 dirty birds sat on my shirt. And my shirt got the dirt. And my shirt got the dirt by those 30 dirty birds. Students, are you getting this? In this way you will read and you will look at the phonogram having red color and try to guess the sound. How many sounds does this phonogram have? 1 sound. Very good. Now come towards worksheet. Okay students, you will mark today's date on this page and it's a worksheet for the phonogram R. Let's start reading the words given in the box. Feeders of bird. Feeders of bird. Look at the picture. Feeders mean bird. Very good. Next one. A dirty shirt. A dirty shirt. Look at the picture. It is a big firm. It is a big firm. Firm, business place where we do work. Okay. It is a big firm. Very good. Now come towards next activity. Okay students, what we are going to do in exercise A, it's read, match and rewrite the words. Let's start reading. First, first, bird, bird, dirty, dirty, circus, circus, birth, birth, girl, girl. Okay students, now we will do matching to the similar words and we will write 2 times. Okay my dear students, in this way you will do matching to the similar words and you will write 2 times. Now come towards next activity. Okay students, we are going to do one of the most interesting activities, which is rearrange and write the jumbled words. Okay, rearrange and write the jumbled words. The words which has wrong spelling, you will make the spelling correct and you will write here. So can you guess which word can you make? Very good. Girl. Once again, girl. This one, sir. Bird, dirt, circus, first. This one, firm, skirt. Okay, in this way you will make the words and you will write in the blanks. Okay my dear students, you will solve this activity in this way. Okay, you will make the spellings correct and you will write in the blanks. Now come to us next activity. Okay students, the activity that we are going to do is another interesting activity. Write the missing words. Okay, so let's look at the pictures and write the missing words. Okay, and the word should relate it to our phonogram. R as in first. He is wearing a blue dash. He is wearing a blue shirt. Very good. Next one. He stood dash in class. Look at the picture. He stood dash in class. Picture. This picture. First. He stood first in class. Very good. Next one. I saw the clown in the dash. I saw the clown in the circus. Okay, the dash was making a nest. Look at the picture. The bird was making a nest. The dash was making a nest. The bird was making a nest. Look at the picture. The last one, Hafsa is very pretty dash. Hafsa is very pretty girl. Very good. Now you will write the answers in the blanks. Let me show you the written work. Okay, my dear students, in this way you will write the correct answers and you will learn the worksheet by heart. You will read page number 46 and 47 5 times, plus you will solve the worksheet. You will do practice of phonogram as in first. Okay, we will meet in next lesson. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.